Hey guys, welcome to Brandon's new channel. So yeah, today I'm going to be reviewing the EarPods Lightning connector for Apple. So I probably won't be able to show y'all an example because I'm using my phone right now to record this. But hey, let's get it started. Okay, let me get the camera set up. Let's get the viewing. I'm just going to open the box. The box is amazing. It is amazing. So we can bring it out right here. When we first open the box, that's what they look like. Amazing. Look amazing. I like the quality on the box. It's heavy, durable. Let me see. I'll take them out. They come with instructions. Now, all the headphones I brought in the past, they never came with instructions. Never. So, just telling you where the mic is and all that. How to answer the phone. How to skip the music. So, yeah. Now let's get down to the big resource. The headphones themselves. Yeah. Alright. Give it up. Oh wow. I like it. Looks pretty good. Now let's get to opening it. Really enjoying this. It's not bad quality. Let's take them out of the package. For these, you got to fold this way and pull out. Fold this way, pull out. Here are the headphones themselves. The Lightning adapter headphones. That is exactly what they look like. I will upload a video later showing you how they work and how loud they are. Thank you. Subscribe, like, comment, enjoy.